Shantashi, what are you picking up from the national capital this morning?
Well, Christine, right now I'm standing at the Badarpur border, I'm so sorry, and that is the Delhi-Noida border, and as you can see that there is a strict vigil that is being maintained while these vehicles are being allowed to cross. So there is a checkpost over here where details of every car is being noted, and every person has to issue a identity card, whether they are part of emergency services or essential services, and all the trucks which are carrying essential service goods and commodities are being allowed. But what is not being allowed is definitely people who do not carry proper ID cards. They are being asked to go back, and there had been many vehicles since the morning who had been asked to go back. There had been a lot of commotion at this particular border for the past few days, especially after the decision that had been taken by Haryana government of sealing the border and sealing the border and also blaming the Delhi government because all the cases that have risen in this particular area, its contact tracing is taking place towards Delhi. So that's why many people are being asked to go away. So I'm going to ask my video journalist to zoom in on those cars which have been asked to go away. So we can see the lot of police personnel are not only checking the identity cards, but also they have been asked to move away from the Delhi-Haryana border and go back to their own destination because they do not have the proper identity cards. Many people who are trying to cross this border are saying that they weren't aware that such a strict vigil as are being maintained, and that's why this kind of confusion is being created. There had been a lot of brawl also at this particular border with the Haryana police because many people are stating that they weren't aware that this kind of strict vigil is being maintained, and they are from Delhi who used to travel in the last few weeks, but this time around they are being stopped. So clearly we see that not only a strict vigil being maintained, but also identity cards are a very much important part of crossing this border, and also even media persons are not being allowed to cross this border. We had to walk from all the way from that side to this side just to report on this particular sealing that has taken place. So this is the strict implementation of the Haryana government's order that is taking place right now, and the Haryana police are all the way are completely committed to maintain this particular strict vigil that is being maintained at Haryana-Delhi border. Yes, Christine.
Oh yes, you talk about Uttar Pradesh-Delhi border or Haryana-Delhi border, strict vigil being maintained. All that can be done to ensure that the spread of the virus does not happen any further is happening. Many thanks. We'll leave it at that. Anuj, Piyush and also Shantashi. Thank you for joining us this morning.